friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search for Netflix app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we click on this sign to turn on your airplane mode, and you will click to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your